Hello to everyone, especially to the students who are eager to learn about this topic in algebra. My topic today is about linear equation involving with one unknown. So my task in here is to solve the value of x and then check whether my value of x is correct. So by plug in the value of x to the given equation. So I will start my discussion. So I have 2 times circle brackets x plus 4 is equals to 3 times x plus 5 minus 10. So distribute, right? Multiply 2 by x, then multiply to the next. So this will be 2x plus 8. Then this will be equal to 3x plus 15. Then minus 10. Okay? So this will be 2x plus 8. Then this will be 3x. 15 minus 10, that will be plus 5. Then 3x will be transposed to the left side. This will be 2x minus 3x. Then is equals to 5. 8 will be transposed at the right side. So this will be minus 8. So 2x minus 3x, that will be negative x, is equals to negative 3. So divide negative 1 both sides. Negative will be crossed out. So x equals positive 3. Okay? So I will prove that x equals 3 is correct. So I will plug in to the given equation. So this will be 2 times 3 plus 4 is equal to 3 times 3 plus 5, then minus 10. So 2 times 7 is equals to 3 times 8, then minus 10. So this is 14. Is equals to 24 minus 10. So 14 is equals to 24 minus 10, that is 14. So this is said to be true. So meaning my x value, which is 3, is absolutely correct. That's all. Thanks for watching.